let's say I want to send a message, but I don't want to send a message to the entire class. Well, I can also do that in Message Sender as well. So first of all, I need to make sure I'm in either Firefox or Chrome. This does not work in Safari. And I'm going to log into my classes, and I'm going to click on Message Sender on the left. Once the window loads, I'm going to go ahead and type in my message. So maybe I'm going to message all parents who have students who are missing assignments. And then down here at the bottom, I can choose to add message recipients. Now, if you want to email the entire class, you're going to go to class sections. But if you only want certain students or certain parents in that class you want to contact, then you can do what's called a quick pick. And I could either search for a student's name if it's just one student, or I could even search by section. So if I search by section, I could go to our school, I could choose an hour and hit search, and this will show me all of the students that are in that class with all of the people who are following them. So I could simply choose one or multiple students on that list and go ahead and hit Add Selected Recipients, and it will make that same message sender the same way I would have done it before for an entire class. This will just go to one or multiple parents if I choose to do it that way. Now, one other quick thing to point out is when I hit continue and I go to send my email address in here, this does not bring over any signature from Gmail. So if you have a typical email signature you like to use, you'll have to insert that in here or make sure you put your name at the end of it because, again, it's not going to put that stuff at the bottom the way Gmail typically would have. So that's how you can email just one parent instead of the entire class if you need.